If you're new, welcome to my channel. If you guys are returning, thank you guys for coming back. Today I am going to go meet up with my cousin and we're going to go to HomeGoods because I need to get some stuff for around the house, and I know she's moving soon, so she needs to get a whole bunch of stuff just like in general. So we're gonna go over there, and I think she also said there's a Michael's there, and I want to get some art supplies because I want to do another video for you guys on some like DIY artwork you can do for around your own house, because it's kind of hard for me to find artwork that I really want. So I just been looking at other people's projects on YouTube and like trying to figure out what it is exactly I want to do. So we're gonna go check out what Michael's has as well. We're not going to go to our local HomeGoods. We're actually going to go a little further out. That way we can find some like better finds, because typically the further out we go, the like better the selection is. So I'm about to head over there now and meet up with her. I'm running a little late, and so I just wanted to like check in with you guys before we get over there, just so it wasn't like an abrupt start to the video. But I'll see y'all over there. All right, so I literally just got here. I'm running super late. Well, not super late. Diam got here probably like 7 minutes ago. So I'm about to hop out and go find her. It's like, this parking lot was crazy, y'all. So hopefully it's not too packed in there. But yeah, we're about to hop out, go find her, and then head in there. I need to find my mask because, you know, COVID is still a thing, so we still have to mask up. Everybody wear your mask. And yeah, I'll check in with you guys when we get into the store. We didn't even look when we crossed the street. Say hi, Diam.
Hi! Follow me too!
You guys, this is my cousin that we were meeting up with. She also does home content. It's Diamjackson on, I think all your platforms are Diamjackson.
Yes, it is.
So
Diamjackson, follow me on YouTube and Instagram. Diamjackson on Instagram.
And she actually is like bomb with the home interior and decor. So like, follow her. We about to get it popping in here.
This one right here is the same thing.
How much do you think that one's bigger?
Yes.
Let's see how big that one is. Because my couch is blue. So. And this one's 24, so it's cheaper than that one.
That one looks a lot bigger to me. Like between those two, I mean, okay, that one is bigger, but it's like, what color are you going for?
I feel like I like the blue color because the couch is blue. So it can kind of bring in those tones. But the only thing I kind of don't like about this
one of them is shitting on you.
This one, the blue one, is like chipping a lot.
Okay.
So, final decision, I think I may go with this one.
Okay.
Even though it's a little bit more expensive, I feel like it's probably...
It's going to a happy home. I love that for him or her.
I feel like every time I come to one of these stores, I'm taking home some basket.
I love a basket. That one's a good basket too. So cute.
Yeah, like see that one?
Yeah.
Good shoes right on.
Okay.
Let's put this up. Because I was looking for some curtains and this is speaking to me. Watch it be like the most expensive curtain I could have pulled out. I knew it. Because of course my taste is always going to be $50 curtains. Alright, so we're in here right now and we found a lot of stuff so far. This is the fruit basket. This has both our stuff in it currently. So I found some stuff that I wasn't even looking for, like I always do. I'm always buying stuff I don't need. Very, very cute rug for the room, a basket for the living room, some curtains so that my dog can stop showing my blinds, some organization stuff.
Oh, look at this. We just don't go with the
And then
of the room.
some like kitchenware. So yeah, we got a lot of good stuff so far and we only hit half the store. So we definitely got a lot more to cover before we head out.
We need a second card.
We do need a second cart. I think that should be our next step. We should do the second cart and then come up this half of the store. All right, so I'll check in with y'all once we get another cart. So you guys, of course I had to find a mirror. And this is as close to the IKEA mirror as I feel like I'm gonna find for this price. So I'm definitely getting it. It's $99. And I feel like the IKEA one is like one something, but it's super duper nice. They had another one down there. But yeah, this is like my ultimate find for the day, so I'm super duper excited. So we found these super cute candles, and they're like not really for you to burn, but they are really nice for like a house aesthetic. And my room is very much so given like Indian, Moroccan house vibe. So I love a nice candle, and I just think these will add a lovely aesthetic to the room. Ooh, what is this? I'm gonna smell this one too. But the one I got, or the two that I got over here, I got the peach and the green. They kind of like match the rug. What'd you say? Okay, so we just left HomeGoods, and it took me like 15 minutes trying to get this stuff put into my car because my back seat won't go down, and for whatever reason, I don't know, yeah, my back seat won't go down, so I couldn't fit the mirror that I got in my car, so we had to put it in my cousin's car. But we're about to go into Michael's now and see if we can find some craft stuff, because I do want to do, like I said, some cute little DIY home videos. So that is going to be our next stop, and then I have to figure out what I'm going to do about this mirror because it's just not working for me. Hopefully I can figure that out before we have to leave this area so that Diam doesn't have to drive it back to my house for me. But yeah, so we're about to head to Michael's and keep this day going, and after that we're gonna go get some lunch or dinner, and I'll check in with y'all when we get over into Michael's so we can find some cool stuff there. All right, y'all. So we've been shopping literally all day. It's 5:30. We left and got out here around 12:30. So we about to eat now. We're at this place called Northside 10, which is literally like right around the corner. We just found it. So we're about to go in here and see if they have some good food, maybe some good drinks, and just kind of decompress from this long day of shopping. But let me hop out because I'm sure she's like waiting. She's starving. We both are starving, but like... yeah, it's been a long day, so I'm really ready to just like kind of sit down and eat and just chill out for the rest of the day. We definitely got a lot of stuff. It's been worth it. So yeah, y'all see what it's like when we get in here. Let's go. Okay, so this is the place, Northside 10. Super cute. It's right off the side of the road. They have indoor and outdoor seating currently during COVID. We're actually going to try and get some indoors. They're at 50% capacity right now, so we're going to see if we can get in and get ourselves a seat on the inside. Let's go. Here comes my girl now. She has a big girl camera, so she got to put that up.
I'm going to have to probably put the mirror down some.
Because you can't see?
Yeah, I can't see off that right.
You could adjust it. How hungry are you on a scale of 1 to 10?
15.
That's what I said. We be amateurs at this. Like
literally, I had like a little salad before I came here. And I'm like, dang, I should have had something like, you know, thicker or something.
I didn't really eat that much.
Yeah, I'm like starving. I can't wait to eat though. We never tried this place though. We got to see what it's hitting for.
What it's hitting for. That's what I said. We're gonna see what it's like. See what they doing out here. It's American style food, so I feel like you can't really go too bad.
Let's just hope so.
Let's go. So we actually got here and we realized that it was restaurant week. So they ended up giving us like the restaurant week menu, and she opted out, but I opted in. So I did the fried green. She did. She said she's not with that. So I did the fried green tomatoes, which is right here, and then I'm also going to do the ribs and a key lime bar. So hopefully it tastes really good. We're about to try the fried green tomatoes now, and hopefully my drink will be coming soon too. But until then, water. We're staying hydrated. Cheers. So you guys, the food has arrived and it definitely looks delicious. Like, it looks very fire. The tomatoes were really good. BT dubs, we crushed those. So I got the ribs, like I said, came with a side of mashed potatoes, and then some coleslaw with some pickles on it. And then what'd you get now?
I got a spicy chicken, fried chicken sandwich with some fries.
Oh, look, dang, did they give you enough pickles on the side?
They gave me hella pickles.
Hella pickles. All right, y'all, so we about to dive in, and hopefully this is good. We'll let you know. This is the dance you do. When your food coming to the table. No. Let's see.
Hey, Mama.
Sis, we having a day. Why you keep calling asking where she at next? Like, you want to be on the...
You won't be waiting me. You don't want to be hanging out with me, so I found you.
Oh, that's good to hang out with your cousin.
Oh, wow.
My aunt keeps calling asking her where she at. She can leave. We good.
I'm one of those people that got the phone out loud.
We definitely.
Okay.
Bye. Bye, auntie.
Bye.
Bye. The pickles are sweet, and I don't typically like sweet pickles, but
The pickles are sweet. I'm about to like, this doesn't look like them. So that's not an issue.
yeah, it is, because it doesn't look like this one.